Hallo julle, Roy wat? Dis 'n nuwe dag met 'n vars nuwe storie oor Louis Liebenberg. Because so are the days of Louis Liebenberg. Hoorie, dit was 'n besonderse kakdag vir Louis vandag, want die Hooggeregshof het die NPA se Asset Forfeit Unit 'n final forfeit order in terms of Section 48 se Prevention of Organised Crime Act gegrant. The order relates to 4 million rand plus VAT held in a Standard Bank account under the name of Zenko Care PT, Pty Ltd Limited, which is proceeds from wat hulle beskryf as unlawful activities. Zenko Care forms part of Forever Diamonds and Gold group, which Desiree, die sole director is, saam met haar spouse, Louis. In die NPA se woorde, both are implicated in an unlawful investment scheme that lured members of the public, locally and abroad, to invest in diamond parcels with the promise of a lucrative short-term returns. Dis nou waar dit spicy raak, okay? Hulle sê investigators established that these parcels never existed. Instead, investor funds were misappropriated and used to pay earlier investors in a manner typical of unlawful multiplication Ponzi scheme type. Sjoe. Hulle sê in 2024 is al 5 miljoen rand uitbetaal, waarvan 1 miljoen rand gegaan het na Eskom vir mining related activities en 4 miljoen rand eenkant gehou was, okay, om interest op te gaar. En dit is nou geforfeit en aan die staat gegee. Sê hierdie 4 miljoen rand was gehou om die aankoop van West Coast Resources mine in die Noord-Kaap aan te koop. Gaan hierdie geld na die Criminal Asset Recovery Account, okay? Wat sê, ensuring the proceeds of crime are redirected to the state to strengthen the fight against organized crime and corruption. Die NPA sê hulle welkom hierdie ruling because it reinforces that criminal enterprises will not be allowed to profit from their unlawful schemes. En dan natuurlik sê hulle net hierdie matter vorm part van 'n broader investigation into Forever Diamonds and Gold Group, its directors and associates. Louis and Desiree and 7 others face charges of fraud, theft, racketeering en money laundering. Anyways, julle, fluit, my storie is uit. Like, share, comment en subscribe vir meer.